for winter yet? No, not at all. All right, lights on the car corner pace truck are out. Looks like that's a Chevy Colorado, maybe? I think that is. Yeah, I think it's a Chevy Colorado. All right. So the 28 of Bradley Lounsbury is going to wind them up. We got 7 cars in this heat race. Let's see what happens. It's going to be Lounsbury and Nayland Jr. Here they come. Great flag and we're racing. And we're all over in the back. But it's Lounsbury and Nayland off to the races. And it's going to be the 51B of Zacharias making a move around the 81 to take third. Here comes the 00. We got a battle for the lead between Lounsbury and Nayland as they make contact. The Elsa car is making her move. That's just a cool paint job. Okay, here comes a car, a 121K car. I don't know who that is. Maybe Joseph Fico. I think so. Anyways, let's talk about our leader. Brian Nayland Jr. bringing it around. Bradley Lounsbury right behind him. I don't know if the 51B of Joshua Zacharias is going to catch him. 00 starting to work on the 81 car. That 00 of Kyle Robson. Working on the 81 of Scott Barless. Scott Barless all the way from Janesville, Wisconsin. Here comes another car to join the field. Wow, look at this car. That's a nice looking car. I don't even know who's driving that car. Actually, that's Justin Tyler. He must have just got here. Justin Tyler brings it out. Looks like he's down a couple laps of it. So our leader, Brian Nayland Jr., coming into lap traffic as the 21K car, the 121 car of Joseph Fico is going to go down a lap. Fico. White flag out for Brian Nayland. Here comes Bradley Lounsbury. This could be a photo finish. Pick your driver. Oh, Brian Nayland gets high. Bradley Lounsbury could get this. Here comes the horsepower. It's Bradley Lounsbury. Woo! How about that? Who's going to get third? It's going to be 00. Then the 50. Wow, the 51B was doing it, and he had like two cars sneak right by him. And the 51B of Joshua Zacharias went from third to fifth. So the 00 got third of Kyle Robson. Fourth place, the 50 car, Ryan Smith. And then the 51B of Joshua Zacharias. So how about that finish, though? Brian Nayland doing everything he could. Looked like Bradley Lounsbury was kind of hanging in there, maybe waiting for something, and then he snuck up on him and made his move, and it worked. Make some noise. It's Bradley Lounsbury.